I have a problem with shopping in beauty products. Yes, please help. Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. WIGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what I purchased in my fabfitfun add-on sale, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, so don't why I subscribe to so many beauty boxes. I subscribe to fabfitfun. I have so many products that I've yet to test. But what do? I buy more because, it's an add-on sale. And who can resist the prices? I have a problem with shopping in beauty products. Yes, please help. Okay, I'm gonna dive in and just see what we got because of course I ordered this back when I made my selections. I've already done my FabFitFun unboxing. If you haven't seen that, you can check it out. So of course I don't remember what I got, which is nice. It's almost like it's a mystery box. How many of you subscribe to boxes such as FabFitFun because they have such good add-on sales? Yeah. Okay, so it's a really big box, but I only have 4 items. One of the items is really big. Of course, I don't remember, but there's my box. Let's grab the first item. All right, what is this? So we have, it's called Yes Way Rosé. Oh, like Yes Jose. And it looks like it's a bundle. It's a hydrating mist, blush palette, and retractable brush from the Beauty Crop. Okay. Hopefully you can see all the items in there. So this set includes 3 items. The Cocoa Rose Face Palette, which is a talc-free 4-shade velvet blush compact. A retractable multi-brush, and a Cocoa Rose mist, which is a hydrating, illuminating mist enriched with anti-aging hero ingredients, including hyaluronic acid. All right, well, I love a good set. I love a good mist, especially one with hyaluronic acid. Okay, excited to get that. Let's see, next item. This is from Milk Makeup, and it is the Kush Lip Glaze in the shade Chronic. That's what it looks like. Ooh, fancy applicator. It almost looks like those kind that are metal that are good for putting product under your eyes. Okay, I don't know if that pick up on camera. It's kind of like, reminds me of the consistency of Vaseline. It's kind of a thick jelly. I have a bunch of lip products on, but hopefully that will be good when I'm not wearing makeup, get some moisture on my lips. Okay, next item. Ooh, what is this? So this is also from the Beauty Crop, and it is the Stargazing Blush Duo. That's what the packaging looks like. If I could only figure out how to open it up. There we go. Well, no. Okay. Well, that is invisible. What did I do? Oh my goodness. This is super cheap packaging. Did I get a dud or did... How do you open this? Well, now it won't even close. It just officially broke. Cheap, cheap, cheap. And I cannot figure out how to open. I presume the product is in this part that kind of juts out. But, oh, well, there we go. Oh my God. So small, so cheap. Look how thin that is. All right, well, there's finally the product. Let me do some swatches. Partial user error, partial, really bad packaging. These are pretty shades, though. Kind of a peachy shade and then like a pink dusty rose. Okay, well, on to the last item. This is from a brand I'm not familiar with called Isola or Isola, and it's a hand cream in vanilla anise, and it's made with coconut oil and shea butter. Ooh, I love a good hand cream. It does come safety sealed. Just going to put the lid back on because I have at least 3 hand products going at the moment. Okay, so let's recap what I got in my FabFitFun haul for summer. We got a 3-piece item, which includes a face and cheek quad, a face spray, and a retractable brush. I got a hand cream. I got a very cheaply packaged duo blush product from the Beauty Crop. And from Milk Makeup, a lip glaze. What are your thoughts? I'm going to list on the screen the grand total of what I spent versus MSRP value. I'm going to... That is some cheap packaging. All right, let me know. Last time you made an add-on purchase, was it FabFitFun, Ipsy, BoxyCharm? Did you get a good deal? I would love it if you would click this guy right down here and leave me a thumbs up. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. If you haven't done so by now, I'd love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. I have a 500 subscriber giveaway. If you haven't done so, please go check out the rules to participate. And thank you all for stopping by. I really appreciate your support. All right. Thanks, everyone.